What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at my new Morakniv. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do gear reviews, beard product reviews, hiking videos, tutorials, that sort of thing. So today we're going to take a look at my Morakniv. Now I picked this up on Amazon, and it's the basic 511 carbon blade. As you can tell, I've maybe played with it once or twice. So we're going to go in and do a little bit of a review on it and use it a little bit. I'm not going to put it through the ringer like some people have done on YouTube, but I'm going to just kind of go over it and what I think about it, my impressions of it. Price on Amazon for this particular knife is less than $10. If you have Amazon Prime, free shipping. So less than $10 for a knife like this. All right. So I think the quality of it, just out of the package, is amazing. All right, so there's a couple guys on YouTube that have done some tweaks to it, and they've taken a file to the back because the spline is a little bit rounded and you can't use it for fire steel. It won't strike. So they've taken a file to that, and then some have added a patina, because if you file this down then you lose that coating. So if you guys would like to see me do that on camera, I'm considering it. If you guys would like to see me do that on camera, please drop a comment below and let me know, and I will do it on camera for a video and show you guys. I'm not going to put it through the ringer. Everything that I've seen, nobody can destroy these blades without going like crazy. The tips are pretty durable. I haven't seen anybody be able to bend one. The blade is pretty sturdy, and it comes out the package pretty sharp. All right, so one cool thing about Morakniv and the case is this little thing right here. You see that little triangle right there? What that is for is if you have two of these knives, you have a little spot back here that you can actually piggyback them. You can take this part of your second knife and clip it on here. So your second knife would be sitting right here. So pretty cool if you had two different knives that you needed for two different things. Maybe one for food prep and one for bushcraft. I don't know, but you could do that. They have different color inlays. You can get these in a variety of colors, which is awesome, because if you are out in the backcountry, bushcraft, whatever, and you drop it, it's easy to locate. I'll probably do a modification. It doesn't wiggle, it's in there pretty good, but I'll probably do a little bit of a mod to tighten this down just so it doesn't loosen up. It's a pretty good belt clip. I haven't used the knife a whole lot, but I have worn it to test out the belt clip, and it's pretty good, pretty durable. You've got little finger grooves here to push your thumb on and push this knife out. Now this is a good utility blade. It's good all around. I will probably pick up another one to keep in the kitchen to use for food prep, just because it holds its edge really well. Everything that I've seen, these Moraknivs hold their edge amazingly well. It's made in Sweden, carbon steel, and Morakniv. So if you can see, that. And I don't think it's a full tang. I think it comes back to somewhere in here. I'd be interested to know exactly how far, but yeah. So like I said, if you guys want to see me file the back end and put a patina on this, then drop me comments and let me know. But we're gonna go into doing a little bit of just kind of shaving stuff and doing a little bit of cutting with it. So let's check it out. Now I will tell you, I would never worry about wearing gloves while I handled knives. But doing more of the whittling and stuff like that, a good pair of leather palm gloves comes in handy. Keeps you from getting even splinters, and so it's pretty nice and gives you a little bit better grip, good little grip on it. So just got a piece of wood. As you can see, I've played around with it just a little bit. So take and just and that's not applying a whole lot of pressure. So it's not that hard to kind of whittle that down a little bit. Now if I was trying to make, like, say, a tent stake or a tie out, and we'll come all the way around. Let's see if we got enough. There we go. Alright, so now and I grabbed the biggest stick I could find out here, lengthwise. So it makes this a little bit difficult while filming. Because it wants to run from me. And two, just a little tip. If you are in a position where you're making you a tent stake, a tie out stake of any kind, all those shavings right there are perfect fire tinder. This is a pretty hard wood. I'm not really sure what it is, but it is a pretty hard wood. And that's not perfect, and it's not really pretty either, but it just shows you what you can do with this. It shaved these pretty well, and again, I wasn't trying to do perfect, but and it still has a pretty good edge on it. That, like I said, that is a pretty hard wood. But yeah, for $10 or less, highly recommend the Morakniv. I'm going to be putting it into practice a little bit more. Next time I use it, I'll make sure to record and show you guys a little bit more first-hand use. May throw it in the kitchen and do a little bit of food prep with it. But again, like I said, if you guys want to see me put a patina on this and file this back end down, then drop me a comment, let me know. All right, so there is the sheath and the knife. All right, as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.